How to create song to video. Live video chat with ChatGPT. How long are the videos? Live video sessions with ChatGPT typically last up to 60 minutes per session. Once the 60-minute limit is reached, the session will end automatically. You can start a new session anytime. Start a new session anytime. You are safe and private. Your conversations and video are private and not shared.
Hallelujah after 50. Hallelujah after 50. Real talk, real healing, real growth for me. For me. Hallelujah after 50. Hallelujah after 50. This is my message. I'm sharing it free. Your creative workflow. Step 1, song. You've written your song. This is the heart of your project. Step 2, create album cover. Design a cover that reflects the mood and message of your song. Generate 10 to 15 scene images. Create 10 to 15 images that tell the story from beginning to end. For Hallelujah after 50. Step 4, turn images into a video. Use tools such as Canva, CapCut, InVideo. Transform your images into a complete music video. Complete music video. Hallelujah after 50. Hallelujah after 50. Real talk, real healing, real growth for me. For me. Hallelujah after 50. Hallelujah after 50. This is my message. I'm sharing it free. Suggested length: 10 scenes equal 2.5 minutes. 15 scenes equal 3 to 4 minutes. Share your music video, upload to YouTube, and share your message.